What up, what up, what up? What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Martin coming at you live from Koh Samui, specifically from my spot that I'm staying at for about 2.5 weeks. So this place is called Tropical Seaview Residences, I think. Something like that. If you type in Tropical Seaview in Google Maps, you'll find it. And I'll put the pin in the description down below. So I'm here on the recommendation of my friend Lena, who stayed here before me. And so just quick shout out to Lena. Thank you again for putting me on. So I'm paying 8,500 baht for a little more than 2 weeks. It's like something like 2.5 weeks of staying here. Now, mind you, these are COVID prices. So during regular non-COVID times, it's probably more than that. But you know, taking advantage of the time period to get this good deal. What else was I gonna say? Oh, and believe it or not, I actually have, even though you see this killer view behind me, I actually have one of the, I would say, like crappier apartments on this property. And when I say crappier, it just means it's on a lower part of the mountain. Like there's higher ones where you have more of an ocean view. But I definitely don't mind the palm tree view. I mean, this is like I said, it's a 8,500 baht apartment with a 1,000,000 baht view. So in fact, I think I'm gonna fire up the drone, you guys. I think you should really see what the views are like from here. So let's fire up the drone, and then when I come back, or when we come back together, I will show you the rest of the apartment, which honestly won't take too long because it's not that big. All right, drone time. We're back. Hope you guys enjoyed that little drone tour of the surrounding area. It's beautiful here. Like if you've never been to Koh Samui, I highly recommend coming out here. Like it's like heaven on earth. I honestly don't want to leave next week. Like I have to leave, I think Wednesday next week. And I'm looking forward to it, but I'm not, because I have a sick spot in Bangkok too. I'm going back to Bangkok. So stay tuned for that, because we'll do a tour there too. I have a sick like rooftop penthouse in the city. It's gonna be dope. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you sub to the channel so you don't miss it. But in the meantime, we're here in Samui, so let's show you the spot. Let's go. So this again is the balcony. I usually come out here, I get some work done on this table while, you know, looking at this amazing view. Then we got the jacuzzi out here. So it took me forever to figure out how to make this jacuzzi work. You guys see that whatever that is, that dial? You got to dial that to make the water plug, and I couldn't figure that out for the life of me for like an hour. I actually had a message my friend Lena that I mentioned earlier. I had to message her just to be like, yo, how do I fill this water up? Because I was sitting in the tub for like an hour like an idiot. So anyway, I got it to work. So now we got the jacuzzi as well. And this is the apartment. It's just a simple studio. You got a nice comfortable couch here with that L seat. You got some paintings. You got TVs that I don't use because I never watch TV. You got a nice little bar here with 2 bar stools. I put one on each side. Fridge, stove, which I also never use. Bed. And then this is the toilet / shower room, which has a nice full-length mirror here. And then you got the shower, which actually has, so you can use that up there, which is what I use. You can use the handle, or you see these grates here? These grates actually spit out water. So there's like 3 different settings, and you use this thing to change them. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, you got the full-length mirror. Cheers, guys. That's pretty much that's the tour. Yeah, like I said, the apartment is pretty small, but for 2.5 weeks in this killer view, it is more than worth it. All right. Hope you enjoyed the tour. I'm gonna drop some more content. It's gonna take me a while because I don't like to do like crappy little, just like upload anything. I like to actually put time and effort into my edits. So I appreciate the love when you guys show love because it does take me time to make my edits. But yeah, stay tuned for more content and come to Koh Samui when you get a chance because it's beautiful out here. Peace.